Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to the grade 9 textbooks explanation video series. Next video. In this video, we are going to discuss about video graphic adapter. In other names, VGA card. Actually, we can use VGA card to to process the image to display in the monitor. In here, it have mentioned like this. The output is fed to the monitor via the video graphic adapter or else VGA card. This is the actually this is the card which the which is the process the image or any other output. Actually, we know that if there is a video, if we consider it a video, it is a series of frame. It is a series of images. We know that we have seen that 30 frames per second as well 60 frames per second. Therefore, before we get an image to the monitor, we will have to process it and provide it to the monitor. For that requirement, we can use video card. I think now you have an idea about VGA card. What is the task of VGA card? For that requirement, we can use VGA card. Actually, if we have a VGA card with high memory, we can see smooth videos and smooth images. Normally, nowadays we can use VGA cards with high capacities as well. In classical computers, it used this classical VGA card types. Now it has been replaced with DVI, digital visual interface, and also through the HDMI, high definition multimedia interface. In nowadays, a lot of monitors with HD monitors are coming with HDMI interface. Therefore, we can use video card with HDMI interface. Through it, we can get high quality images other than the classical VGA cards. So there are three types of video cards which we can use in the computer. Classical one, video graphic array or adapter, DVI, digital visual interface, as well also high definition multimedia interface. Through HDMI, we can get also the audio output through same port. Therefore, we can use HDMI to get high quality output, to get the high quality output in the monitor. As well, actually, if we considered also about the memory capacity of modern graphic cards, actually in nowadays we use the name graphic cards instead of VGA card because we can see that there are three types I mentioned here, because with especially with HDMI we are using the word graphic cards in our in past days we used VGA card, but nowadays we are using the name term graphic cards. Actually, currently we can see the graphic cards with the memory of 2 GB to up to 24 GB or 32 GB according to the requirements. But probably in our laptop computers we can see that there is a shared memory for the video, shared memory for the video memory. Probably it will be shared through our main memory. It means through the RAM card. If we have a RAM card of 4 GB, the video memory is shared through that RAM card. So in some of computers we can manually set the video memory sharing through the main memory. Therefore, we can get good performance if we have a high memory capacity. If we have a graphic card with high memory capacity, especially for graphic designing and video editing, we will have to use a video card or graphic card with high memory capacity, then the performance of processing the images will be uh, more effective than the low memory graphic card. So I think now you have a good idea about uh, the graphic card. Actually here it have mentioned as video graphic adapter. Actually nowadays it is used as a graphic card. Therefore we can, when we are buying a computer, when we are going to buy a computer, we will have to consider also about a video graphic card, especially the memory of video graphic card and the interface which is in the graphic card. It is better if we can use HDMI interface based graphic card, because nowadays we are using probably we are using HDMI monitors. If we consider about LED monitor, lot of them are with HDMI interface. HDMI interface. Therefore, if we have a video graphic card with HDMI port, we can easily use it with our HDMI monitor. So, in next video, we can discuss about sound card. If you have any doubt, always you can use our WhatsApp support service. Ninaro student have a chance to use that service for totally free. They can use this service, as well other students can use that service as a premium service. Therefore I invite you all to join with Ninaro class to get so many benefits. So till we meet again with the next video, have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.